Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And if we look at some of the great features of Windows 10 is that they added the dark and light themes, or even a mix of both if you want, in the operating system. Now, most apps now obey the rule, but there's exceptions to the rule. So there could be apps that sometimes are not going to follow the mode, but in general, the menus and the settings app and so on are all going to follow this new rule that you have of either dark or light mode. Now, why would you like to change in between dark or light? It depends on what you actually like. It depends maybe of some visual disability. I like dark mode because I like to have a screen that isn't bright but that has text in it. So a black screen with white text for me is nice. Some people like the other way around. They like a white background with dark text. So whatever you want to choose, you'll be able to do so in Windows 10. Right-click the Start menu, go into Settings. Here you'll go into Personalization. And in the left side, you'll see Colors. And in here, you'll have Choose Your Color, Dark, or if you click Light, which will just change all of Windows into light mode in every app. It takes a certain time for certain apps to actually obey the rule. As you see here, this computer particularly took a little bit of time to put this. And of course, you have dark mode. That's the one I was using. You can also have a mix of dark or light. And why would you have a mix? Well, the custom mode lets you choose, for example, dark mode for Windows, but light mode for apps. Or dark mode for apps, but light mode for Windows. So depending on what you want to do, if you'd like to have light apps but dark mode, you can actually just choose Windows as dark mode, but the apps as light mode, and so on. So this is a way to customize if you want to have everything dark or light, or a mix of both depending on what you're doing. It is, like I said, inconsistent, as is Windows 10 and Windows in general. There's always a few places and there's always a few things that are not obeying the rules, but in general, every app will obey the rules of dark mode in Windows 10. So that is going to be perfect for that. So choose your mode, and hope that you enjoy these videos of the great features of Windows 10 that you need to know about. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe.